Mastering Electronics Imports from Taiwan. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our video series on customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will be discussing the customs regulations for importing electronics from Taiwan. As electronic devices become an integral part of our daily lives, it's crucial to understand the necessary procedures and requirements for importing them into your country. So, let's dive right in. When importing electronics from Taiwan, it is highly recommended to utilize the services of a licensed customs broker. A customs broker is a professional who specializes in the customs clearance process, ensuring that your goods meet all the necessary regulatory requirements. They can navigate the complex customs procedures, handle documentation, and communicate with the relevant authorities on your behalf. Additionally, it's important to consider obtaining a customs bond, which serves as a financial guarantee to customs authorities for the payment of duties and taxes, as well as compliance with all applicable regulations. Importing electronic devices from Taiwan involves certain regulations that need to be followed. Firstly, it is essential to determine the electrical standards and certification requirements of your importing country. Different countries may have specific standards, safety regulations, and labeling requirements for electronic devices. Ensure that the products you are importing comply with these standards to avoid any complications during customs clearance. Classifying your imported electronics correctly is crucial for a smooth customs clearance process. Each product has a specific Harmonized System (HS) code, which is a standardized classification system used worldwide. HS codes describe the nature of the goods being imported and help customs authorities determine the applicable duties, taxes, and regulations. It is essential to work with your customs broker to accurately classify your electronics and avoid any delays or penalties. The Importer Security Filing (ISF), also known as the 10+2 rule, must be filed for ocean shipments arriving in the United States. This filing requires the importer or their customs broker to provide specific information about the cargo, the vessel, and the parties involved in the transaction. Failure to file the ISF accurately and timely can result in penalties, delays, and even cargo holds. Make sure to adhere to the ISF requirements when importing electronics from Taiwan to the United States. When importing electronics from Taiwan or any other country, it's important to consider the duty and tax implications. Customs authorities assess duties and taxes based on the value of the goods, their country of origin, and the applicable trade agreements or preferences. Working with a customs broker can help you understand the duty rates and any potential exemptions or preferential treatment available for your imported electronics. This knowledge will allow you to accurately calculate the overall landed cost of your goods and plan your importation accordingly. That brings us to the end of our discussion on the customs regulations for importing electronics from Taiwan. Understanding these regulations and working closely with a licensed customs broker can significantly simplify the import process and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember to classify your electronics correctly, comply with electrical standards and labeling requirements, file the Importer Security Filing (ISF) where applicable, and consider the duty and tax implications. Disclaimer note below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade.